If y'all know me, y'all know that this is my baby right here. I usually don't let nobody touch this, even if I got a case on it. This is like my pride and joy right here. Nobody comes near it. It got its own oxygen. It got its own zip code. All that. Nobody comes near the phone unless I give you express consent to sniff it, to look at it, to come near it, to even hold it, to even touch it. You gotta get my express consent because this is my baby right here. I don't want nothing happen to this phone, and I definitely plan on getting the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 3. So I need this in top-notch condition. What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the Gould's Gaming and Tech channel. We're gonna look at a up close and personal. I mean, right up on you. Look at this Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 2 Thom Browne edition. Judging by your overwhelming positive response from that last video, which was just an overall review, um, it pushed me to kind of, give you guys an up close and personal. I know I didn't really show off the Thom Browne logo on the back, the Thom Browne theme that comes default on the phone, some of the wallpapers. So that's what we're going to go over today. As you can see by the intro, it's an up close and personal look. And also we're going to go over a couple apps that might be good for this phone as well. So as always, subscribe, share, like, comment, hit that bell for notifications, and let's get it. I know I didn't properly do a unboxing of this bad boy. Well, actually, I did, but I did it on my other channel. My bad. That's my fault. But we're going to do that today. So as you can see, I have the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 2. This box was the Mystic Bronze one that I told you guys I originally got. So don't pay attention to this because the Mystic Bronze one is not in here. Look at that, baby. Ooh, look. I got a present. It's like a little butterfly. And then you open that by, oh, boom. This is like the best presentation I've seen on a phone. Then you got your packaging. I actually never looked in this. As you can see that it's not ripped up. But this is just probably their books and all that other crap that I don't really care to look at. Look, terms and conditions. The term is you buy our phone. The condition is you got to give us money. That's pretty self-explanatory. Yeah, anyways, we don't need all this stuff. Change this. Yeah, that's cool and all. We take that out. We don't need that. I have this Premier service. Thank you very much. And here is the phone. Boom. Y'all see that Thom Browne right there? Now we're going to take this bad boy off. Remember, this phone is active. It's already in service, so that's why it's on already. So we're going to get rid of all this stuff, and we're going to make way for this bad boy. Yeah. Now, as you can see, there's the Thom Browne logo, and this is pretty much what it looks like. Don't pay attention to this. I think this is just hair or something. I don't know. Yeah, that bothers me. Anyways, this is the Thom Browne logo. It's pretty smooth on the back. It's just gray with that Thom Browne, looks like Tommy Hilfiger logo going down. It has these like dents in it, like not dents, but like some kind of pattern you can feel on there. But this is it. And now I'm going to show you guys the Thom Browne theme. So we're going to go to themes and my stuff. So I think the default one is this one right here. Right now, I currently have the Joker. I know that looks a little slick, You might not be used to that. It's a little slick something, But we're going to go into that. Anyways, we're going to apply this Thom Browne logo. Boom! Look at that. So my stuff is loading in right now. Every time you change the theme, it like takes a minute for everything to load up. But yeah, this is a Thom Browne theme that comes default on the phone. It actually comes with like a champagne noise. I'm gonna send myself an email. Gould's Gaming and Tech on deck. You see it? You see it? And now you should hear a little champagne popping noise when I send this off. I know y'all heard that. I know y'all heard that. I know y'all like that. The drop down is pretty simple. It's just, I don't know if you can tell from the video, but it's like a navy or dark blue and everything else is gray. The icons that you can see, they're like a little stitching. I guess that's his signature mark. It's just like a really, really smooth kind of little suave look. So yeah, that's pretty much the gist of it. It's not much else they customized besides that little champagne noise, the theme, the wallpaper. Oh, I almost forgot. So the lock screen automatically updates to this. So today is Sunday. So every day this design changes and the day at the bottom changes. So it's Sunday, so it says Sunday right now. So if you get this phone, it's going to come with this default theme. This lock screen is going to change every day. And then the always on display just says Thom Browne on. All right, so now we're going to get into some must-have apps for this phone. Obviously everything is not optimized for this phone because the display is so large, but there are certain things to get that are key. So this section, we're going to kind of go into the must-have apps for this. First of all, I would highly recommend this app called HDQ Walls. And I believe it is right here. This is what the icon looks like, HDQ Walls. Now, this app, you get super high quality HD wallpapers, and they immediately just optimize for the size of your phone. So for example, if I click on this, it fills up the whole screen. A lot of wallpapers and stuff don't fill up the whole screen. Even freaking Instagram doesn't even fill up the whole screen. But this app in particular, it fills up the whole screen and has damn near any category you can think of as far as like wallpapers. So, for example, a lot of people were asking where did I get that Assassin's Creed Valhalla wallpaper on the last video. So, Assassin's Creed, where is it? Here we go. So, I got it from this page. So, I just went on here, clicked on whichever one I like. It loads up, and look. I don't know if you can tell through YouTube, but this thing is pretty freaking HD. So, this is where I get my wallpapers from. You can literally type in any category and what you are looking for will pop up. You just download it and then you have it. Another thing to do, if you constantly change your wallpapers like me, because I'm a little OCD, another thing you want to do is get this Google search bar app. You can customize this thing. I literally just found this out like a month ago. So when you click on the app, you go to more, go to customize widget. You can literally change the size of Google, the shape of the widget, the color of it, and you know how see-through it is. Well, this is off color because it was with my Joker theme, but this one right here with the date and time, you can pretty much pick, I won't say almost every font, but it's just simply called the clock widget. You click on it, you pick what kind of style you want, the font, the color, transparency, and I just want something simple and smooth. That's it, because I ain't trying to have all that other crap, slowing my phone down, doing all this fancy stuff that I don't need. This one right here, just like I said, is just called the clock widget. I can search it for you guys really quick just so you know what it looks like. Clock widget, that's what it looks like right there. Just search that in the Play Store and you will be able to get it. It's free and you can download it and put whatever you want. You got to have the Galaxy themes on deck. Even though I don't use it often, I'm usually put it in default mode. I had this Thom Browne theme on for a while, but I got bored with it. Like I said, when y'all saw my original video, I didn't really ask for this phone. They just sent it as a replacement. So I got it. It is what it is. I got to deal with it. But the Galaxy theme, I just usually put it in default because the HDQ Walls app, it pretty much goes with any wallpaper I click on from there. You can only get this theme on this phone. You can't get like the Mystic Bronze version. I had that one, but obviously this theme isn't available because it's exclusive for this phone. So I'm assuming it's some kind of software they put in here to recognize that this is the Thom Browne phone, and that's how you get it. But um, yeah, you don't think if you get the Mystic Bronze or the all black one that you can get this, because you can't. So don't even try. If y'all know me, y'all know that this is my baby right here. I usually don't let nobody touch this, even if I got a case on it. This is like my pride and joy right here. Nobody comes near it. It got its own oxygen. It got its own zip code. All that. Nobody comes near the phone unless I give you express consent to sniff it, to look at it, to come near it, to even hold it, to even touch it. You gotta get my express consent, because this is my baby right here. I don't want nothing happen to this phone, and I definitely plan on getting the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 3. So I need this in top-notch condition. You know, I don't know who Thom Browne is. I might not even like the guy. I might not like the way he looks, the way he smells, the way he even walks. But I do mess with this theme, this edition of this phone. It's simple. I like simple and sleek. I do get a little crazy sometimes, but I like the simple and sleek look. Like I said, I don't really care too much for him, who he is, or even this Tommy Hilfiger like design. But I must say, since I have this phone, it's not bad. I cover it up most of the time, but it is not bad. When I want to get simple, I just throw in the Thom Browne theme. You know what I'm saying? The Tommy theme. No, because then if I say that, it might be disrespect. That might be talk about Tommy Hilfiger. Anyways, if I want to get simple and sleek, I throw in that theme. It's cool. The lock screen is dynamic. It changes every day. And this is not bad either. I don't even look at this, but that's fine. But Mr. Browne, Mr. Thom Browne, I guess I should say thank you for being a part of this project. It's cool and all. Nike would have been better, but you know. Let me stop, because I'm being petty right now. I'm being petty. This phone is nice. The design, the theme, the Thom Browne theme is nice. This logo on the back that I never see is nice. The gray on it is nice. So if you're looking for this phone, hopefully I provided a good little close-up review for you guys, so you can see the ins and outs of this phone, what the theme's gonna look like, what the phone looks like bare, raw, naked. And if you're gonna get it, you know, let me know if y'all got it for my video, or if this video even helped. I don't even know. But from the overwhelming response I got on the last video, I would assume y'all wanted to see this. But anyways, as always, like, comment, share, subscribe. Thumbs up is greatly appreciated. And I'll see y'all in the next video. Remember, this is Gould's Gaming and Tech.